In this video, I will explain why you get this error when you work with the Microsoft Excel files. The error says file is locked for share use by specific user. So this particular error comes when you try to access the Excel file which is hosted on the on-premises SharePoint. Now there are two types of SharePoints provided by the Microsoft. First one is on-premises SharePoint and second one is Microsoft Cloud SharePoint. In Microsoft Cloud SharePoint, what happens is that all your files are stored on the Microsoft data center and the URL looks like this star.sharepoint.com. For example, if your company name is say XYZ, then it will be xyz.sharepoint.com. So you can see that those files are stored in the Microsoft data center. And there is another way in which we can use the SharePoint, which is by on-premises. So in on-premises, what happens is that you buy the hardware and software from the Microsoft and store those files on your local servers within your premises, within your organization. So what happens is that if you store the files in on-premises SharePoint, then those files cannot be co-authored. Co-author means multiple people cannot edit that file. Only a single person can edit the files if it is stored in the on-premises SharePoint. For example, your URL might look like this teams.hub.xyz.com. So if the files are stored on such SharePoint, which is on-premises SharePoint, then those files cannot be edited simultaneously by multiple people. Only single person can edit that file. But on the contrary, if you're using this kind of URL, star.sharepoint.com, then in that case, multiple people can edit the files, which is called as co-authoring basically, when multiple people are able to edit the file. And that is when this error comes, file is locked for share use. So in the on-premises SharePoint case, you will see this error, file gets locked during editing, okay? But in Microsoft Cloud SharePoint, multiple people can edit the files and file doesn't get locked.